because nothing is working.
alternative medicine or alternative whatever, you know. So we're thinking what to do. So they told us, why don't you try the Chinese medicine, Chinese way.
There's no solution, no other solution. We tried for 10 years, there's nothing good. We're losing already. Then we said, let's think different. We were helpless. We wanted to hear something new than going to a general doctor. Something new. Talking about a machine that will investigate, that's new.
Yeah.
Talking about acupuncture, that's new. Talking about Ayurveda, that's new. Anything new.
You know, we
So,
saw all the doctors.
I mean,
here
we suffered
from
like
Sharjah
9, 10
to
years.
Dubai. Even we sent her all her documents to a hospital in America also to check. They told her, yeah, this is IBS. You cannot do what you are doing is the same, like same
Okay.
medicine, same. And she was like not okay.
She went down 35 kilos, you can tell. 28 years, 35 kilos.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And she was like
Oh, my God.
steep.
Yeah, and she has allergy for food, for all lactose intolerant, and for
Which was all wrong.
the bread also. For
Diagnosis is wrong.
Diagnosis was
For
wrong.
the bread.
So she also had to prevent you from
Yes, she
eating
was
all of
not
this.
eating anything.
She was living on painkillers. And that was killing her. Because when she came here, they tried their best and they had a hard time to see early improvement for one reason.
Of the toxic.
Dr. Ben, who is independent, Dr. Miller, is different department, different kind of medicine. He said, so much painkiller she had that it's taking so much time for her to get better because the painkiller is cancelling all the new medicine we are giving her.
So
And then she faced the same problem.
after, okay, she did the screening, because he called me from here and he said, they are suggesting to do this, what do you think? I said, do whatever we need to do because
We were losing
are
her
on
anyway.
this case, you know.
Well, in that situation.
Dr. Rabilla was,
She worked hard on it.
she worked
She did
hard,
a
very
miracle,
hard,
take my word.
really,
It's,
really.
She-
She was,
What she did, nobody ever could do. She was patient, you know. She was very patient because if you fail, you keep trying, means
Yeah.
you know, and she was patient. It
yeah,
was
and
very
it
critical
was not a
station.
normal, you know, like medicine or normal treatment for us because we don't know about holistic.
right.
So it was all new for us, you know. Sometimes I couldn't believe, you know, like, oh, she's saying this, how it will help, you know?
You've tried everything,
Yes.
now you are only with this kind of new medicine. But I was always busy on the internet to learn and understand what is this. What's acupuncture, what's Ayurvedic, what's holistic healing, what's the medicine. So I was like learning and believing. And I tell you what, if I'm here today, for one reason, this should understand, a lot of people need this clinic. I'm not trying to do an advertising here, so no. A lot of people need it.
I have a friend, she's like, she lives in Saudi. I was telling her about my daughter and she told me, oh my God, my niece has the same problem. I said, please,
Bring
bring her here. This is the solution you will get here. This is what is happening. This is what she is feeling. This is what is going to happen. She said, yeah, this is the same, you know, what you are saying is the same what she has now. So I told her, please come and visit Dr. Rabilla, you know. And this is what happened. And after that, they called me and told me, I want to bring my sister, I want to bring my mother.
And they did?
Yeah, they do.
And the son
They
and the
all-
husband,
yeah.
and they are all coming because they believe in her.
You know, I found a person one time here, this is interesting. The person, he was a black American. And he was sitting inside in the reception. I was waiting with my daughter. I look at this guy, he was so happy. Really happy and rejoicing. I told him, where the hell are you from? I told him, he was so happy. He said, hey listen, I came from Florida. I came especially for this doctor here. He mentioned this word, I feel peace inside. And when my daughter started getting better, I told him, how do you feel now? I heard the same word, I have peace inside.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, no, the same
it
word.
is.
When he mentioned the word peace inside, I told him, what do you mean? He said, I tell you, he said, really, it's peace. And I heard the same word like 2 weeks maybe before from my daughter to see how much these guys were having pain inside. To hear the word peace, you know.
Peace, yeah.
And look what happened, what's funny. She got so perfect. When she got perfect, she found the right guy.
This is the last prescription was from Dr.
Yeah.
Rabilla.
When she got better, she told her, go and get a man. She listened, she went and get a man. After 3 months, she married him.
So
and she met him, you know. She found the man.
Amazing.
It was like a graduation. You know how you go sometimes to university and you graduate? It was a graduation, really.
Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough, seriously. I feel completely blessed to be sitting here because you will do such a world of good, not just sharing this with your friends and family who you feel responsible for, but just pretty much everyone out there. This is really great. Thank you.
Whatever you want, you just...
Thank you.